Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to make your virtual operating system in Python. This is not hard because we want to use modules just Python. So let's start, but before the start video, subscribe the channel, put likes and leave comment. So let's start. So the first click the file, new file, and save this file now on the storage and in the Python folder, for example this folder, and save the file virtual OS Python. So let's start programming. So write import module time, and second print starting with time slip 1. This is 1 second. We can write 2 seconds, 3 seconds and 4 seconds, but I write 1. So next print loading. This is startup. Time sleep. And RAM. This is storage. For example, RAM storage will be 32 megabytes, and ROM 1 will be 100 megabytes. So the next print RAM. This RAM, this is variable, so print RAM and plus RAM 1, and print ROM plus ROM 1. And the next time slip 1 second, and print text virtual OS. Print versus is OS, for example 1 version 1 and print write info. So let's check these commands: run module or F5, this button F5, or click run module. Okay, and starting OS, loading RAM 32 megabytes and ROM 100 megabytes. So what is print? Print write these texts. We can edit this text, for example, not virtual OS or starting OS. We can use, for example, 2 seconds in there, and we can edit this text for not virtual OS, just virtual, and start module. Okay. So there is just virtual, and this is virtual OS. So virtual OS and save, Ctrl S or save. So the next we need to do some commands. for command line. We need to write always in this command line, so write while true. While true command 1. This is variable. This is variable. We can name com1 or command 1. I will write command 1. So input. This is question input. We can enter in there some information. For example, input, enter command, enter command and Ctrl S and save and run module. So starting OS, load in RAM-ROM, and enter command. We can enter some commands, everything, for example this or this. So, and when we click enter button, this is always do this command because while true. So continue this command. So and now we should write commands. For example, if we write system info looks system info, we can look system info in this desktop. So how to do it? We should, if command 1 as this variable, if command 1 is system info, system info, print virtual OS. For example, virtual OS version 1 and 0. Print beta version, for example, or alpha version, I don't know. Just write information of this operating system. This is virtual operating system, so write, for example, beta version and print. And that's all we can. And write print in developing or some. We can write everything in this. So that's all. So write the next command, calculator. For example, calculator. We need to do a calculator of this virtual system. So write if command 1. We write calculator. Calc 1 float, because this is number, so write float and then input enter first number and in the calc 2 stop. So the next write calc 2 float input enter second, this is second number, import second number. So write the next variable, this will be calc3. Calc3 will be what we need to do. Calc3 input, this is not float, this will be text. So write just input what to do. For example, plus or minus minus or division or multiplication, or multiplication. And this, and close. If calc3 will be a plus answer 1. This is a variable answer 1, calc 1 plus calc 2, and print star answer 1, and print finish. So copy paste this program, this code, paste for, so in this minus, and in this minus, and in this division, and there multiplication and multiplication. So that's all code. So run this program, run module, okay, invalid syntax. So this is this, run module, okay, and starting was loading RAM version adding 1 and 0. Enter command will be for example, will be system info virtualOS 1 and 0 beta version in developing, and write calculator. Why not write calculator? Enter the first number, for example 4, and the second number will be a 5 plus, so this is answer 9, and for example write 10, calculator, first number 1, 10, okay, 5, and minus, finish 5, answer is 5. So next calculator again, calculator, first number 11, and division, and 1, finished. The next is multiplication, calculator, first number is 10, second number is 12, and this, so 120, finish. So that's all. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, leave comments, and bye everyone.